This is another very important 5-mark question. Okay, condensation method. So here we are preparing this. We are preparing colloids. What is sol? Sol nothing but colloid only. Okay. Previously we discussed in dispersion methods. The first one is which method? During colloidal mill. Using colloidal mill, how to convert suspension to colloidal. Then using periodic arc method, how to convert suspension to colloid. Then using ultrasonic waves, how to convert suspension to colloid. Then what is peptidization? The precipitated material into colloidal. Okay, this is all preparation of colloids. Okay. The next method also how to prepare colloid using condensation method. This is very important 5-mark question. Okay, condensation method. The first topic is by exchange of solvent. You know what is solvent? Okay. By exchange of solvent mean some compound soluble only in non-polar solvents like alcohol, ether, carbon tetrachloride. In the substance, in that place, we are going to add some other non-polar solvent. What will happen? It's not completely soluble. Okay, due to insoluble or partially soluble, it form a colloids. Very same thing only given here first by the exchange of solvent. If a solution of sulfur or phosphorus in alcohol is poured into water, a colloidal solution of sulfur or phosphorus is obtained due to low solubility in water, because sulfur and phosphorus only soluble in polar solvent like alcohol, ether, etc. But when you change the solvent from alcohol, ether to water, what will happen? Low solubility or less solubility, you will get colloidal solution. Okay, that is the first topic by exchange of solvent. Second one, by change of physical state. The colloidal solution of which elements such as mercury and sulfur are obtained by passing their vapor through cold water containing stabilizer. Cold water containing stabilizer like alkali, anyone alkali, there we are going to pass their vapor. That time the respective colloids you will get. Okay, using this method you can prepare which colloid? Mercury and sulfur. Then chemical methods. Under chemical methods, 5 heading is there. One is a double decomposition, then oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. First method is double decomposition method. Listen, under double decomposition method, double decomposition methods, arsenious sulfide converted into arsenious oxide. The given is arsenious oxide initially. Arsenious oxide AS2O3 undergoes plus H2S. It gives arsenious sulfide plus water molecule. See, arsenious oxide formula AS2O3 reacts with hydrogen sulfide gas. It gives arsenious oxide AS2S3 plus. How to balance? Okay, here 3 sulfur, here only 1 sulfur, so 3 water. That means 6 hydrogen atom will come, here also 3. Clear? That's a double decomposition method. The next one is oxidation method. So H2S. Hydrogen sulfide gas reacts with sulfur dioxide. The H2S converted into H2O. Now addition of oxygen, that's nothing but oxidation reaction takes place, plus what? Removal of, how to balance? Your 2 sulfur is present, here only 1 sulfur, so that 2. The remaining 2 hydrogen atom present in the reactant side, product side you can write 2. 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, but only 1 oxygen is present, so 2 mean 4 hydrogen will come. So 4 mean 3 sulfurs will come. You able to understand? 4 hydrogen atoms, 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, 2 plus 1 3 sulfur, so that 3 sulfur, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Okay. So now H2S oxidized to water, H2O. H2 is converted into H2O. The third method is reduction method. Silver nitrate and auric chloride. In silver nitrate you are going to add tannic acid, that time it converted into silver salt. That named as reduction. AgNO3. When you add tannic acid, AgNO3 converted into Ag silver salt. What do you mean salt? Colloids. Like Re chloride. When you add tannic acid, it becomes AO salt. The next one is after reduction method, hydrolysis. Ferric chloride reacts with water, it gives ferric hydroxide. Hydrolysis after reduction, ferric chloride converted into ferric hydroxide. Ferric chloride formula FeCl3. Hydrolysis means reacts with water, it gives ferric hydroxide FeOH thrice plus HCl. How to balance it? Only one Fe, only one Fe, 3Cl, so that 3, so it become 3H, 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen atom. Here only 2, so that 3 means 6. What about oxygen? 3. Here also 3, balanced one. Okay. So it's a very important 5-mark question. What is condensation method? How to prepare colloid salt by condensation method? First topic under the exchange of solvent. Okay. Sulfur only soluble in ether and alcohol because that two non-polar solvent. Okay, by exchange of solvent instead of ether and alcohol, if you add water, mean due to insolubility nature become a colloid. You get salt. Okay, that is by exchange of solvent. Second heading, by exchange of physical state. Okay, mercury and sulfur, they are going to pass their that time you will get respective colloids. In that method you can prepare mercury and sulfur colloids. The next one is chemical method. Under chemical method, double decomposition, oxidation, reduction and hydrolysis. Under double decomposition, arsenious oxide converted into arsenious sulfide. Now H2S oxidized to H2O. Then oxidation, very same equation, H2S converted into H2O. Then reduction method, silver nitrate reacts with tannic acid, converted into silver salt. Re chloride converted into Rm, AU. What is Rm? Gold. Then hydrolysis method, ferric chloride undergoes hydrolysis reaction, it gives ferric hydroxides. Very, very important method. Okay, read now. No doubt? No doubt. Okay, the next one is purification of salts. In the above methods, using dispersion methods and condensation methods, we prepared colloids. Okay, now we are going to purify the colloids because all colloids are impure one. Okay, the first method is dialysis. Okay, I think 2 years back is asked in board exam question. Okay, board exam question, very important 5-mark question. What is dialysis? Yeah, dialysis alone 5-mark question. Dialysis alone 5-mark question. One container, this animal membrane or parchment paper. Here we are going to take all the impure colloids, contain positive ion, negative ions, all the molecules, everything. Okay, you have to cover it. You have to cover this one. Here one inlet, here one outlet. Okay, because water keep on going here. Okay, keep on enter also. Okay, water always flow here and there. Now this dialysis bag, this animal membrane contains colloids. See, impure one. The animal membrane have very small, minute holes. Very small holes. Okay. Now, you know what is condenser? How the condenser will use? Condenser. You don't know condenser? Okay. Here is the inlet, mean here you have to, one pipe will be available. You have to inside the tap itself. So water keep on coming here, automatically enter outside also. So what's the use mean? Here small minute holes available, no? Through the holes, very small minute ions, small, very small size of ion solvent will come outside. Okay, you keep on continuously you are passing water mean through this minute holes, the minute ion only will come outside. Okay, you are doing repeatedly mean you can purify the colloids. Okay, that's the dialysis method. புரியுதா? Turn it out. It's clear? What is dialysis? Your doubt. Parchment paper or certain the animal sub இருக்குல்ல that animals or white color particle சவ்வுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல that only animal membrane அது otherwise parchment paper cellophane sheet அது நான் சொல்றேன் இங்க ஒரு cellophane sheet சொல்றேன் நான் okay now the next one is electro same dialysis method only there's a purification of salt but using electrode it's nothing but electro dialysis electrodialysis method. Here the middle column is all the impure colloids, all impure salt. Okay, all impure salt. Here I am going to keep one electrode. Here another electrode. Okay, one is a positive electrode, another one is negative electrode. Maybe first one is a plus, another one is minus. Plus mean what? Anode. This is a cathode electrode, right? Electrode. Okay, here one inlet, outlet. Okay, very same thing here also. Inlet, one outlet. Okay, the middle portion it contains full and full what? Impure colloids or impure salt. Okay, listen. Now here all the positive, negative, everything is present. Now this is anode, no minus. So all the negatively charged particles are when you are passing electricity, all negatively charged particles are moved through anode side. All positively charged particles move through cathode side. Why? Because opposite will attract, no. So because impure cell contains all positive as well as negative impurities, all positive impurities are moved towards cathode side. They may cation migrate towards cathode side, anion migrate towards anode side. Okay, very same thing you are going to water will enter like this. So you are very same dialysis method only you are going to purify this all using electrode, using electricity. You are going to purify mean the same as what? Electrodialysis method. You are able to understand what is electrodialysis? Read now. Membrane. This is what? Membrane. Because membrane have very minute holes, no. That's why we are using membrane. The next one is what? Ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. You know what is filtration? Because we are really filtering the coffee and so many things. What is ultrafiltration? You know what is filter paper? Because in a laboratory we are using one filter paper. One is ordinary filter paper, another one is round filter paper. Wattman number 46 filter paper. You know the filter paper? But you know what is ordinary filter paper? Okay, that is ordinary filter paper. One more round size filter paper also available. That's named as Wattman number 46 filter paper. Okay, Wattman number 46 filter paper. That also very thin only. Listen ma, what they are telling was, you know how to filter the filter paper, no? How to filter using filter paper? You know or not? You got to fold it. Three side one. You know how to filter the. You know how to filter using filter paper? Okay. What they are telling was paper mean this system you can't see the holes and all. But if you use this filter paper, it contains very minute holes, so that they are pasting one collodion. What they are pasting? Collodion. For what purpose they are pasting collodion mean? To reduce the hole. To reduce the hole. They are pasting collodion or regenerated cellulose. For what purpose? To reduce the holes. Now they are using this filter paper. They are filtering. Okay. Then that mean what? The hole size will be very reduced. So very minute particle it will allow. Okay. Likewise they are filtering here. See, one diagram is given. Okay. Here they are using high pressure. For what purpose they are applying pressure? You know what is suction pump and all? That means listen ma, very same principle they are using, namely crucible is there. Okay, what the apparatus name is? Crucible. Crucible mean it will be like this. Here only the filter paper is available. Okay, one more, the name is Fachman funnel. Funnel mean here on tube. Okay, then here gas pressure will apply from 1 meter. Okay, through this here you are going to pour all the solutions. Here filter is there. You are going to tight your crucible with that Buckner funnel. Then you have to you are going to apply the pressure mean. What will happen mean? You are going to pass the solution here. So all the precipitate we set it in the filter paper itself. All the unwanted filtrate will come under the funnel. So using this method you can precipitate. Okay, what is this named as what? Crucible. This is named as Fachman funnel. Okay, the pressure apply பண்ணும்போது due to high pressure so suck பண்ண fast. So suck பண்ண now all the your precipitate everything will settle down in this place itself. All the unwanted filtrate will come and reach the funnel. Okay, when for what purpose I am telling was, when you apply the high pressure, no, this suck very easily. Okay, you will get high amount of precipitate. Very same here also they are applying from this way high pressure, so that you can precipitate very fast. That is ultrafiltration. Read fast. To reduce the size of the filter paper, whole size filter paper, collodion or regenerated cellulose.